So I'm Dr. Kate from HypnoTC, the Hypnotherapy Training Company, and this is another in our series of tips for new hypnotherapy students. This video is all about how to learn hypnotherapy scripts. So when you're ready, feel free to carry on watching. I'm going to give you a 9-point process that you can follow to learn hypnotherapy scripts, whether they're scripts that you've written for yourself, things that have been given to you by your training provider, or scripts that you found either on the internet or perhaps in hypnotherapy script books. Yes, they do exist. So the first part is to think about what's the intended application or outcome. So are you working to gain confidence? Are you working to address disordered sleep? So know where you're going to end up. The next step is to read the whole technique all the way through, start to finish, to get an idea of exactly what is involved. After that, use that technique a couple of times, whether you're recording it on an MP3 or you're delivering it to another student or perhaps to friends, family or other volunteers. When you're familiar with using the whole technique as it's been provided, then start to summarize it into abbreviated sentences. No need to worry about poor grammar because you're going to fill in extra words yourself. When you've done that, use that summary a couple of times in practice. Get used to and get comfortable with using that summary. Then, there's another step. Reduce that down to bullet points, maybe just 2 or 3 words per bullet point prompt. Go through it at this point and check that it still meets the intended application. And then use the bullet points and use them often and just reduce them down over time. When you can work entirely from memory, read the whole technique from time to time just to refresh your memory and ensure that you're keeping on track. So I hope you found this video useful. You might be able to hear the birds song outside. We truly do have the most amazing teaching venue here for HypnoTC. So thank you for watching and feel free to have a look at all of the other videos in our Tips for New Hypnotherapy Students series.